If you have an immigration case that is stuck and you're frustrated and you're delayed and your life is being put on hold because the immigration system just isn't working and you can't take the pain of waiting any longer, we are ready to help you. And you may know, if you've been following my content for a while, you may know that the solution that we have for people who are stuck and can't get a decision on their immigration cases is to go to federal court and file a writ of mandamus lawsuit. That's what we do, and that's how we help people reach their immigration goals, and we help them solve their problems. And one of the questions that we got from someone recently, he asked, which court do we file applications in? That is the question we're going to be answering in today's video. My name is Joshua Goldstein, and I'm an immigration lawyer, and we help people in all 50 states and around the world with their immigration cases so you can reach your immigration goals, whether it's working in the United States or living in the United States or pursuing your educational goals or getting married or bringing your parents to the US or getting a work permit or naturalization, whatever it is, we're here to support you. And I created Immigration Station, this channel. I did it just for you, to inspire you with success stories and also to offer you insights and tools and tactics that we use with our private clients to help people reach their goals. Today we're going to be talking all about writ of mandamus lawsuits to help people whose cases are stuck. And specifically, where do we file the lawsuits? Do we file them in Washington, D.C. or other courts? That's what we're going to be getting into today. The question of where and which court to file a mandamus lawsuit is a very important strategic decision that we make. And we only make that decision after someone's hired us and after we've reviewed all of the facts in the available law. So sometimes people contact us before they've hired us and say, okay, where are you going to file this? And the answer is, I don't know. I don't know yet because I haven't reviewed the case very, very carefully, but it's an important one. So let me lay out the rule for you. It's called venue. And under the Federal Rules of Civil Procedure, there are 3 places that you can file. One is to file wherever the defendant resides. So here the defendant is either the State Department, which operates consulates and embassies abroad, and the State Department is located in Washington, D.C. Or the second place is you could file where USCIS is headquartered, and they're headquartered in Maryland. You can also file where a substantial part of the events or omissions that gave rise to the claim occurred, or a substantial part of the property that's subject to the action. Typically, what this means, and how we interpret it, is filing where the plaintiff lives. So if the plaintiff lives in the United States, we would file in that particular district. Those are the rules that we follow. But this is a very important strategic decision, and we make it very carefully based on our clients. You can't just file anywhere that you want to file. You can't file the case in California if you don't live in California and it has no connection to California. We file in all 50 states, and we file in Washington, D.C., and we do so through local referral partners and local counsel and where I'm admitted to practice. And we make that determination based on a variety of factors. I don't think this is something you should get too overly hung up on, where to file, because you don't really have any choice on where to file. Where to file is a decision that you should allow us to make on your behalf or whichever attorney you work with. But it's a very important strategic decision. You shouldn't get bogged down on it. It should be filed where you have the best chance to win. If you have questions or anything like that, let me know, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.